final one for today. Save some for tomorrow, just in case the postman doesn't bring me anything. Now this says charger on it, so interesting. Oh, lovely. Thank you, Hubsan. They must have got my message. My boy's got the Hubsan Star, Hubsan X4 Star, I think it is, and one of the batteries from opening the box, I'd say from just being old stock, I'm presuming, one of the batteries had failed, and because they're a 2 or 3 cell, 2 cell? They're a 2 cell battery. 2 or 3. Anyway, it doesn't matter. They're a multi-cell battery, and if they go completely flat or they sit for too long, they can reverse polarity in one of the cells. So when you go to connect it up, it actually blows the charger, and that's what happened to us on his first charge. So he didn't get very much flight time, and we contacted him and said, hey, what's going on? You know, could you please send us another charger? And looks like they sent us 2. So thank you, Hubsan. Let's hope these last a little bit longer, which they should, because I actually managed to correct the battery myself. Yes, you can fix it, and that's what I did. I fixed it, but I could not fix the charger, and I thought it was a little bit silly that I should be fixing the charger. And to buy a new one, I think they were like $25 or something, $30, something ridiculous. Anyway, thank you again. My son will be very happy when he gets home. Thank you.